Vertical lines flickering on your Hisense TV screen can be frustrating and hard to ignore. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to fix the problem using simple troubleshooting methods you can try right at home. Keep watching to find the solution that works for you. First, try power cycling the TV. Start by turning off your TV and unplugging it from the wall. Then, find the physical power button on the TV itself. It's usually under the screen or on the side. Press and hold this button for about 15 to 30 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for at least 5 minutes. Once the time is up, plug it back in and turn it on. For many people, this simple step has fixed the problem. Next, check all your HDMI and other cable connections. Unplug every external cable from the TV so only the power cord remains connected. Look closely at each HDMI cable for any damage, and clean both the cables and the ports using compressed air if you have it. Now, plug them back in one by one and try different HDMI ports if needed. If the lines disappear when the cables are disconnected, then the issue might be coming from one of those devices or cables. Now make sure your TV is plugged directly into a wall socket and not into a surge protector or extension cord. Sometimes, a poor power supply or inconsistent voltage from these devices can cause display issues like vertical lines. If possible, try using a different wall socket as well just to be sure. If none of those steps helped, try doing a factory reset. Go into your TV's settings menu and look for the reset option. Once you select it, your TV will erase all apps, accounts, and settings, so keep that in mind before confirming. This reset can often solve problems caused by software glitches. If you're not able to get into the settings menu, there's another option. Look for a small pinhole reset button on the back of your TV, usually near the HDMI ports. Use a paperclip to press and hold that button for about 20 seconds. This reset method is helpful when the screen isn't responding properly. Another method you can try is gently tapping the back of your TV. With the TV turned on, hold a soft cloth or towel against the screen with one hand to protect it. With your other hand, start lightly tapping around the back of the TV, especially around the edges. Sometimes internal connections get slightly loose, and this can help fix them without opening anything up. That's it for this video on how to fix vertical lines on your Hisense TV screen. I hope one of these methods helped get your display looking normal again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Got a question, or did one of these solutions work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.